go. Come to your TVs. I've got some cool stuff. This is Christina Daves, a good friend of ours here on Good Morning Washington, always brings amazing things to the show. We're going to show you 8 new things that you need at your tailgate, and this is the bar.
This is it. This is a pop-up bar.
I love this.
Pop-up bar. This is my favorite. I
Look,
know.
it has its own little cooler right here, so you just bring the beers out there. You can have people set up here. By the way, if you guys are obviously tech fans, you went to tech, your kids are at tech.
Right. But this is by Best of Times, and you can, so we, of course, we ordered Virginia Tech because that's our favorite, but you can customize them with your own. You can use your company logo. You can do anything, and you can see how that works.
And it's also easy to set up.
It's really easy to set up. It takes 5-10 minutes.
And it all can fit in the back of a car.
Yes. It's like in the soccer chairs. It comes in a bag.
Wow.
That's
unbelievable.
Yeah.
I need one of these. For my house, I think, and for tailgating. All right. Next up.
Go Pong beer pong table.
Yeah.
This is ready. Here you go.
So it's an easy table to set up. Folds up into 4 little.
It folds up, so it's this big. It fits right in your car. It folds 4 times. So that's it.
Unbelievable.
Oh,
I'm not very good at beer pong, by the way.
Neither am I.
I'm good at drinking beer, but not. Oh, there we go. All right. Now, it's warm out here today, but as the temperatures start to drop.
Right. So this is from the grommet, and this is a heater that you just put on your chair like this. It's pre-charged in here. So you just set it if you want low, medium, high. It will stay hot for 4 hours. Doesn't matter how cold it is outside.
Unbelievable.
And it's going to be cold soon for football games, so this is awesome.
It absolutely will be. I love this pop-up table. Whenever you're tailgating, you're always looking for extra places to put things.
Yes. So again, just like the bar, it folds up like this. So we got to travel with this stuff. Yeah. But you just drop a bowl in here. You've got a place to hold your drinks, and then you've got a cooler down below.
An additional cooler.
You can't have enough coolers.
Now, I think if you are a true tailgater, you need this.
Okay, this is HERC rentals. Because generators, there's 2 ways to get power: a generator or a battery charger. Now, generators are $1,500.
Yeah.
So you can rent this for the day, $69, and everything plugs into it. Your TV. We've got, my phone is charging.
Look at all the charging stations for your phone. You can charge people to come up and charge their phones and make your money back on the thing.
I like that idea.
So you can plug your crock pot.
Your crock pot, your heating element here. Now this is awesome. Crock pot has just come out with the NFL license.
Okay.
So Redskin fans, here you go, get this. And I love this because I love crock pots. This is so it seals. So nothing will spill in your car.
Awesome when you take it.
How awesome is that?
Love it. Okay. Now this is awesome too. I thought this was like a cooler to keep something cool. It's the complete opposite.
No, this is called Hot Logic, and this is so awesome. So you put your Pyrex in. So I did some Tostitos. What they have in here, this is a patented technology. It gets to 175 degrees. Wow. So you're kind of slow cooking your food, or you're keeping it warm. But you could put a casserole in, go into your game, come back 4 hours later, and dinner's ready.
And you could even do like a queso dip and stuff, and it would be nice and warm the entire time.
And you
with
can
your
keep the lid on.
Little battery charger.
Battery charger.
Okay, we teased this. It's not a Frisbee.
It's not a Frisbee. This is called Great Plate, and I think it's great.
Yeah.
So how you go to the tailgate and you're trying to, how do I eat? How do I hold? Now I'm a wine drinker. You guys know that. So I've got my stemless wine glass in here. But any solo cup fits. They also sell these cups like this. How awesome is this?
Everything's right here, like this, like this.
You got it all right.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Where can people find out more information about everything that you talked about here today?
You can go to my website, ChristinaDaves.com, and I have all the products on here too, so it's easy to find. We'll link everything up.
Awesome. And absolutely, my favorite thing is the pop-up bar that fits in the back of your car. The pop-up bar that fits in the back of your car. There you go. We'll have more of Good Morning Washington coming up after the break.